What if AI worked like a real office team? CrewAI lets developers build role-playing agents that divide complex work instead of forcing one LLM to do everything. One agent can research, another can plan, another can write, and another can review. That makes AI workflows easier to organize, debug, and scale. Agents are the stars of CrewAI. Each one gets a clear role, goal, backstory, tools, and sometimes memory. A researcher should not behave like a writer, and a reviewer should not act like a coder. This role separation makes AI output more focused, because every agent knows what it is responsible for. Tasks tell agents exactly what to do. The crew connects those tasks, assigns the right agent, controls the order, and brings everything together into one final answer. Think of it like a project manager for AI workers. Without tasks and crew structure, agents can become messy, repetitive, or unclear. CrewAI becomes powerful when agents use tools. They can search the web, call APIs, read documents, use databases, or run custom code. This is where agents move from answering to doing. But tool access must be controlled carefully, because the same power that helps automation can also create mistakes or security risks. For bigger automation, CrewAI flows help connect multiple crews, maintain state, trigger events, and run steps in sequence or parallel. This is useful for AI pipelines like research reports, customer support automation, content generation, or business workflows. In simple terms, agents do the work, crews manage teams, and flows manage the whole operation. For future AI updates, subscribe now.